In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment method on Distrokid. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to enter your details so your future billing is handled by your new card without any hassle. First, open your browser and head to Distrokid. Once you're in your account dashboard, look for the area where you manage your releases and settings. That's the right place to start because all your account and billing options live nearby. Next, find the profile icon, typically at the top right of the page. Click it to open your account menu. This menu is your shortcut to personal settings, plan details, and payment options, so it's the quickest path to updating how you pay for your Distrokid membership and add-ons. From that menu, click Credit Card. This takes you to your payment section where you can see existing information and make changes. Don't worry, you're just preparing your account to use a new method going forward. Now, click Add Payment Method. This opens the form where you'll enter your updated billing information. You're not making a purchase here. You're simply saving a new card on file so Distrokid can bill it when your subscription or services renew. Start by typing your full name. Use the name exactly as it appears on your card to avoid verification hiccups. Then select your country or region. This ensures the correct billing format is used and helps prevent address mismatches. Add your billing address. Enter the street address and include apartment or suite details if applicable. Make sure this matches the billing address your bank has on file, including city, state, or province, and postal code. A perfect match here is one of the most common ways to prevent payment errors later. Enter your card number next. Type the digits without spaces or dashes. Then add the expiration date in the month and year format on your card. After that, type the security code. This is the 3 or 4-digit code printed on your card. Keep this private and enter it carefully. When everything looks correct, click Add Payment Method. The page will save your new details and your next renewal or purchase will use this card. If you see an error, double check for typos in the address or expiration date and make sure the name matches what your bank expects. You may also see a quick bank verification prompt. Just follow it to confirm your card. That's it. You've successfully updated your payment method on Distrokid. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you need a refresher while you're updating yours.